you and then the girls.
There it comes.
In the very beginning.
Seventh baby.
You came to us when he
Tail's
was
annoying.
going there when he was little. We got him under the beanbag and I'm walking around the pool in the backyard.
Seventh puppy's born.
First probably 5 years or so. How many?
7.
Good girl. Oh boy.
Come on, break her out of that bag, Bentley.
That's number 6?
7.
7.
Break it, Bentley. It's over her head, though.
Yeah, we did. We always went.
That made it handy.
There we go.
On a boat, so we couldn't go on a boat.
Good job.
But we came to your house when you lived in the home. It wasn't until you moved onto a boat that you started coming to ours. I really think. I can look at my scrapbook and be able to tell you. So I can look at my Christmases and be able to tell you. I think it's when you moved onto a boat when we stopped going to you. Because there was no one for us.
It's totally grossing me out.
9 years.
Breaking the umbilical cord. Is it breathing? This one's not moving, Mom.
Okay, have her lick it. Is she licking it?
She's licking it.
Oh dear.
It's not moving.
That one.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah, I think it is. She may have to work at it. There it goes.
Phew.
Take its first breath.
She's dragging it.
She's working on it. That's how they get it to kind of start breathing, is they lick it vigorously.
Well, she's gnawing at the umbilical cord.
Oh, okay. She's going to be awfully tired. So are we. Well, the balcony that I got.
7th puppy, and there's the rest of them.